This is Violet, a 1-year-old Chihuahua mix who doesn't like men, things on wheels, loud noises, and barks at everyone and everything outside. During moments like these, she's too wound up to take treats or focus on her owner. Here, I just wanted to see if I could get her to approach me or feel a little bit more comfortable around me, but she ended up hiding behind her owner. So, we had to go inside. I tossed a couple treats to see if she'd be comfortable enough to eat them, and she wasn't in the beginning. Once she was comfortable enough to be around me and eat treats, we put the leash on her and did a few exercises. Once she was comfortable inside, we went outside. And that's where she couldn't trust me again, so we took our time. We did the same exercises outside that we did inside. I have no expectations here. I just want her to move with me, have fun with me. I wanted to keep it kind of light. My goal here was to eventually get her a little closer to me.
Violet! Yes, good girl! Let's go. There you go. Yes, good. Right here.
Once Violet started to feel comfortable with me, we went for a walk. What I love here is all the times Violet looks at me. A lot of her attention and focus is on me, whereas normally her attention is on everything else except her owner. We want Violet to feel like she can count on us to take care of things so that she doesn't have to. We saw some people approaching, so we went off to the side.
Don't wait for a reaction. If she doesn't react, boom, reward it.
Right now, because she barks a lot, especially at men, we always pull off to the side.
And if she looks at him and doesn't respond, doesn't react, yes, good job. Very good.
The goal here is to show Violet that people equals good things. But more importantly, we're trying to show her that we'll make decisions, we'll take care of things so that she doesn't have to.
Very good. We're going to walk across and we're just going to walk over.
She did really well passing by people at this table, and I can't wait to show you how well she did with her owner. Stay tuned.